Hello friends, this is Sunil and welcome back to my channel IT Junction for All. In this video, I am going to discuss about SQL scenario based interview question and answer part 37. First, the problem statement. Sales info table over here this is the input table and it has three columns, namely continents, country and sales. Write a SQL query to get the aggregate sum of sales country-wise and display only those which are maximum in each continents. So if you see the input table once again, we have mainly two continents, Asia and Europe. And under continent Asia, we have three different country, India, Japan and Thailand. Similarly for continent Europe, we have Denmark and France. So what we have to do, we have to first get the aggregate sum of the total, aggregate sum of the sales country wise, and then we have to display only those country along with the continents which are having the maximum sales. So if you see the output table, we are having Asia continent, and under continent Asia country India is having the maximum total sales. That's why it is coming in the output table. Similarly for Europe, under continent Europe, we have two country, Denmark and France, but in the output table it is coming as France, and the total sales is 1,30,000, being the maximum between the Denmark and the France. So this is what we have to achieve. So let's see how we can do this in SQL Server. We can solve this problem by number of ways, but I'm going to solve this problem by using CTE, that is common table expression. So before writing the solution, let's see our input table once again. So I'm going to fire this, select a star from sales info table. So this is our input table. Now I'm going to start the solution. So I'm going to start with clause with CTE underscore, let's say sales, and after that we have to give a keyword as. After that I'm going to start open parenthesis and I will close the parenthesis. Within this I'm going to select star from sales info. After that I'm going to replace this star with continents, comma, country, comma, sales. So if I run this, we have all the three columns values. Now after this I'm going to get the sum of the sales, sum, and I have to get the sum country wise along with continent wise. So I'm going to group by continents, comma, country. So if I let me give alias as total sales. Now let me run this inner query. Now I'm getting for each continent, under each continent I'm getting the total sales for each country. So India is having more like 80,000, Japan is 70,000, for Thailand 90,000. So I have to get the maximum. So how to get the maximum for each continent? So for that I'm going to write another CTE. In that, let's say CT underscore rank, as I'm going to open the parenthesis and then close the parenthesis, and inside this I'm going to select star from CT underscore sales. Let's copy this and paste it over here. And after that, I'm going to replace this star with actual column names. So continents and country, I'm going to copy it, and this I'm going to copy this total sales column as well. So I have copied continents, country, total sales from CT underscore sales table. Here I'm going to use rank function. Better we'll use dense rank function. So dense rank function over, and then I'm going to partition by continents column, and I have to order by total sales column in the descending order. And let's give alias as ranking. Let me pull this down. Okay, so we have got the dense rank as well. So what next? Let me check it from here. Select star from CT underscore rank. So now you can see that we have the ranking, and for each continents we are getting the rank. So we have to fetch where ranking is equal to 1. So we can give here where ranking is equal to 1 now, but we do not want this ranking column, so we are going to replace with the actual column. So I'm going to copy these 3 columns, and then I'm going to replace the star with this column names. And now if I run this full piece of code, here you go, you got the solution. We are able to fetch the total sales country wise and the continent wise. So that's all for this video. If you have liked my video, please do like it, and if you know any other way to solve this problem, please comment in the comment section. Thank you, and thanks for watching.